Okay, in this problem, if I use sine rule, you can see that left hand side I can write a by bc plus that sine b is b by 2r plus sine c is c by 2r is equal to c by ab plus b by ac plus a by bc. Now I can cancel this a by bc on both the sides. So on the left hand side I have 1 by 2r into b by c plus c by b is equal to, on the right hand side if I take 1 by a common, I have c by b plus b by c. So you can see that I can cancel this part and I have a is equal to 2r. That means angle A is nothing but 90 degrees from sine rule. He gave that the matrix is an orthogonal matrix. So I have A transpose is nothing but I. So using that I have 0 2b c a b minus c a minus bc, and I'm taking the transpose 0 2b c a b minus c a minus bc is nothing but 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. And now taking the product and equating the corresponding entries on both the sides, I have 1 entry. If I go for, I'm getting 4b square plus c square is equal to 1. I go for 1 2 entry, I'll get 2b square minus c square is equal to 0. That is 1 2 entry. Now if I go for 1 3 entry, again I am getting the same relation. I'm not interested. I'll go for 2 1 entry. I can see it is the same thing. 2 1 entry. 2 2 entry will be a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 1. Now I can see from these equations itself that here I have c square is equal to 2b square. If I use that information here, I'll get 4b square plus 2b square is equal to 1. That means I'm having b square equal to 1 by 6. Therefore I have c square is equal to 1 by 3. Now if I use that information here, that b square is 1 by 6 and c square is 1 by 3, I'll get a square value. You'll get what you want ultimately from that. We'll go to next problem. Multiplying by 2 on both the sides in the given inequality, you can see that it becomes a plus b whole square plus b plus c whole square plus c plus a whole square is less than or equal to 0. Now as these are real numbers, a, b, c are real numbers, and as sum of the squares is less than or equal to 0, I'll get that each one must be equal to 0. That means I'll have a plus b is equal to 0, b plus c is equal to 0, and c plus a equal to 0. Now if I add all of them, I'll get a plus b plus c is equal to 0. Thereby I'll get a equal to b equal to c equal to 0. This is obvious because here a plus b is 0. Using that, here I'll get c is equal to 0. Similarly the other things. Now simply use this information. A, b, c are zeros in the determinant. Rest is obvious. You will just get the determinant as the first entry 2 square, next entry 0, 1, 1, again 4 here, 0, 0, 1, 4. Expand the determinant, you got your answer. This is an easy one. He gave omega equal to 2 by z. We want the locus of omega. So from this I have z is equal to 2 by omega. I use that fact in the given equation. So I have mod of 2 by omega minus 1 plus I whole square is equal to 2. Taking LCM, I'll have it as mod of 2 minus 1 plus I into omega whole square is equal to 2 mod omega. Now omega square here. So squaring on, we know that this is like mod of z1 minus z2 whole square form. Applying the formula, I have mod z1 square plus mod z2 square. So this mod is root 2 square 2 and mod omega square, that is mod z2 square minus 2 times real part of z1 bar z2 I can take, so that is 1 plus I into omega I get is equal to 2 times mod omega square. Cancelling 2 times mod omega square on both the sides, I'll have 4 minus 2 into real part of, I can write this 2 outside, so it becomes a 4 here, and real part of 1 plus I into, let me assume omega as x plus iy, is equal to 0. So it is 4 minus 4 times, the real part here is obviously x minus y is equal to 0. Therefore the locus is nothing but x minus y minus 1 is equal to 0. So clearly the curve is x square by 12 minus y square by 7 is equal to 1. It's hyperbola. Now I'm taking only one wing, it's okay. Now from a point 1 comma 2, okay, let me take that. Say for I take just this one wing. From the point 1 comma 2, say we are drawing two tangents to the curve. Now if I assume that m is the slope, the point is 1 comma 2, I'll write equation to this tangent now. So it is mx y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, or I have y equal to mx plus 2 minus m, that's tangent. That is this line equation. Now we use the fact that it is a tangent to this one. So the condition is c square is equal to a square m square, this is that is a square m square minus b square is 7. So simplifying this, what I get is m square, sending that side 11m square, this side minus 4m, so that will be plus 4m that side, minus 4 minus 11 is equal to 0. Now it is a quadratic in m, obviously the other one is nothing but slope of this line. Now you can see that if I call this as m1 and this as m2, m1 and m2 are nothing but roots of this equation, which are the slopes of the tangents. You can see that product of slopes is minus 1 here. That means angle between the tangents is 90 degrees. Now you just simplify this expression, you will have this whole thing as 90 degrees obviously.